Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use snapping in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually enable snapping. The way you do that, you come to the top right, and when you see this icon, you can toggle it on by just clicking on it. You can also click on this down arrow and you get a drop down where you can go ahead and enable snapping just by clicking on this toggle switch. If you don't see this option, you can just come here, the top menu, click on view, and then click here on snapping, and you can toggle it on or off. Now with snapping, you have different options. Mainly, we also have page snapping and object snapping. So with page snapping, we have different options as well, whereby, for example, if I come and take this object and drag it here towards the margin, it is currently not snapping. But if I toggle this one on for page snapping, now as you can see, it is snapping right there. And for objects snapping, you can decide to toggle this one on as well, and it will go ahead and snap to, for example, visible objects. If you toggle this one on, you can come here and drag this object towards another one, and as you can see, it has snapped. Otherwise, if you try to do that, it will just go through. Then you can just come here and customize these as per your needs. And that is how to use snapping in Affinity Studio.